Hey everybody, David Cook, the Franco Painting and Wallpaper, working on some doors. So if you have door handles that come up like that, and like that, bear with me as I try and show you one-handed how to take these off. So, to get the handle off, these actually have they're pressure sensitive. So I just take a flathead screwdriver against that slot, push it. Of course, this isn't going to work. Forward. Here we go. Now, let's see if I can do it while doing the phone. Push it forward. Sorry. All right, let's try it again. We're going to push forward and pull it in at the same time, and there we go. And it unlocks. So you can see that little push pin. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. That little push pin is what holds it on. And then there's the bracket it came out of. And then we're going to take the same thing, pop that off, nice and easy. And then you have to unscrew, well, you have to take this part off next. The handle. So flat-headed screwdrivers, of course, have no bits for a drill, otherwise I would use a drill. I don't have any. So unscrew that. Unscrew that. And this piece, took off the other one. Oh, unscrew it first. The last one we had this unscrewed, or didn't have it unscrewed, and it still popped off, but this one's not going to work. So again, unscrewing the bottom screw. Unscrewing the top screw. If you ever needed a commercial for why you need square Phillips bit heads, right here is one. A pain in the butt. That slides off now. And go back in here. And of course, it's not going to cooperate. Here we go. No. Here. Definitely not easy. There we go. That came off. That came off. Jeez. So this one you can't take off at all. It has to come out, and that tension was holding that in here. So that's why I had to kind of play with that to get it off. The other one just popped right off. But anyway, get the idea of how to take the door handles off of these older type of handles. Got any questions? Let me know. Otherwise, you guys have a great day. If you got some other problem issues or problems trying getting door handles off, let us know. We've been coming across a lot of older stuff here lately. David Cook, Franco Painting Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in. God bless.